I'm going to measure my head. Big hands, big feet, big head? No, disregard. That's just going in the wrong direction. Just so you have a reference for the size of my head as I try on all these sunglasses. And I have done numerous videos already, but this will be the first time I'm actually measuring it. And it looks like it's going to be 23 inches in circumference. And I think I have like an oval shaped face. So if it helps you when you kind of gauge how the RB3721s look, you can judge for yourself as to whether or not they're going to be suitable for you. These, however, are listed as XXL. Double XL, with measurements of 59/17/145, lens height of 44.5 millimeters, with a square frame design and a hinge to hinge of 142 millimeters. These babies are right up my alley. And just for reference, anything over 140 millimeters from hinge to hinge is referenced as an extra large, just so you're aware. Now, the two accessories I wear are watches and sunglasses. It's 2024. I have to check the mail. Wow, the first real significant snowfall for the holiday season, and it doesn't even come until New Year's Day. Oh, there's a good chance that there's no mail. It's New Year's Day, but we didn't check it on Friday, so just in case something came. I'm waiting for 2 watches, just so you're aware. But you know what? Happy New Year to all. We have a nice video we can put together here for the RB3721. These polarized lenses are fantastic. Not only do they block out the sun, but they actually take care of some glare for you as well, which is great. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. No mail. Happy New Year. This is the RB3721 Chromance in polished black and silver with a blue polarized lens. She comes in 4 colorways. Check online for the pair that's going to work for you. www.ray/ban.com. There's also 4 lens treatments here. We have a blue gold, a gray, and a green gold. They are metal frames and what feels like a plastic or composite temple arm with soft rubber temple tips for over the ear for added comfort. They feel great on the face and a total weight of 32.5 grams. That is pretty good. I love the streamlined temple arm, something that's not too thick. These are coming in at 5.6 millimeters near the hinge and up to 7.2 millimeters at their thickest point. They have the adjustable nose pads for added convenience. They can be widened or narrowed to fit whatever nose, face shape we're dealing with. The feel on the face is the key. With the lightweight design the Chromance sits with its frame flex and spring-loaded hinge system, they can go through most activities for sure without fear of falling off. It's crazy. Like, take a look at this. Without trying to give myself whiplash or get a headache. But you get the point. Online at the website also gives you the opportunity to check into how the lenses look. So just click on Try Lenses. It's on the right side there of the webpage. A classic yet contemporary look. Signed Ray-Ban with the P for polarized on the right lens and Chromance on the lower left. You also have the model details and inner reference numbers on the inner temple arm for quick reference and convenience. Ray-Ban Chromance, reference RB3721CH, black on silver with blue polarized lenses. A 2024 rock star. Great way to start the year. 2 thumbs up for sure. From a walk in the park to the hikes in the mountains and everything in between, quite possibly a fine pair of shades for your everyday carry. Polarized, great protections from your harmful rays, but also eliminating the glare and enhancing contrasts. And let's face it, they look dynamite. Go online at ray/ban.com an MSRP of $325 Canadian, and they're waiting for you. But wait, we're not done yet. They are prescription ready. Consult your optometrist and check out the design that's going to work for you. Wow, I can't believe I have to give these back to Jay. Also, in case you're not a glasses wearer, and this might be your first pair of sunglasses, you never know, they have a sizing guide online. Now, there's so many good reasons why you want to wear polarized lenses, but there are some limitations. If you're looking at a screen, your visual may be impacted by these polarized lenses. So just be warned. Ray-Ban Chromance, RB3721. Put them on your face. I'm Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. Happy New Year. Thanks for all the continued support. Let's crush it this year together. Keep coming back. More content's coming. I'm on Instagram as well, at TheCovertCrow. I think that's my time for today. Good luck and all the best in 2024. See you on the next one.